Hello YouTube, I'm Dr. Nikki Atkinson, your honest advisory for all things health related. Today I'm back with another such product, the Renew Supplement Formula. I'm sure you must have heard of this formula but found it hard to research it any further. Well, worry not. If you are here for an effective and lasting health solution, this video is a must watch. So, what is the Renew Weight Loss Formula? The Renew supplement is a formula created to help people with their weight management and well-being. The formula in the Renew supplement offers results based on the complete detoxification of your body. This will grant you lasting benefits unlike the other formulas and programs, etc. much more safely. People can go on to live their lives independently and with complete confidence with its support. The creator of the Renew formula is a physical therapist named Dr. James Marshall, who requires a special mention here. You see, James had been working as a therapist for many years, and he had come across thousands of men and women struggling to live a good life. One thing he could identify from all these people is how the current methods were ineffective in combating most health issues. Further studies showed him how diets, exercises, etc. are not only ineffective but could also pile on more weight if you quit those. Add to this emotional burden of constantly watching your diet, lifestyle, activity levels, etc. So, taking from centuries of traditional knowledge as well as modern medical understanding, James created the Renew supplement. He looks to eradicate your weight gain problems at the roots and grant you lasting relief through this. Let us see his choice of ingredients in the Renew formula to help you with this. Psyllium husk. Psyllium husk is a weight loss and energy boosting herb found in most of today's health supplements. This is a fibrous compound extracted from the tropical species Plantago ovata, and it will aid bowel movements, metabolism, as well as give you much more energy. Magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide is a powerful cleanser and detoxifier. This compound will not only allow toxins, harmful chemicals, etc. to be absorbed and used by your body, this will keep them from entering your blood and spreading elsewhere in your body. Green coffee bean extract. Green coffee beans are rich in polyphenols necessary for optimum bodily functions. Besides, caffeine found in coffee is a powerful stimulant and energy enhancer. Also, this is known to boost immunity, disease resistance, vitality, and moods too. But how could just 3 ingredients aid weight loss and optimum health? Well, the Renew ingredients are not just some herbs or compounds. These have been perfected through numerous trials and years of clinical experience. The Renew ingredients have the maximum impact on your body, unlike much of the touted herbs and supplements, etc. So, James has made this a formula to control body weight without any strict diet, exhausting workouts, and so on. The Renew formula will penetrate the depths of your body to remove all fat deposits. It will cleanse off all toxins, harmful chemicals, and the like to make your body pristine again. It will clear out blockages in your blood vessels and boost your metabolism to help you with weight management. Additionally, this will keep your heart and other organs free from any trouble. Gradually, you will have more energy, vitality, and even better moods. And the chronic health issues that used to haunt you, from diabetes to arthritis, could be reversed with its effects. What's more? Well, Renew supplement users even say they look, feel, and live younger by years. So, they all talk about the good. This formula, which comes in 100% vegan pills, is as easy as it gets. Just take a dosage of 2 of these capsules a day, which needs barely 3 seconds, and you are good to take on life. Here are some of the benefits you get with the Renew supplement. Get rid of chronic visceral fat, enhance your digestion and hasted metabolism, cravings and hunger regulation, better satisfaction from what you eat, healthy levels of blood sugar, cholesterol, etc., improved digestive tract health, lasting detox that rejuvenated your internal organs, protection from heart conditions, organ failure, etc., reduced risk of stroke and brain damage, greater levels of energy and vitality, reverse the signs of aging, better moods, more confidence, and a whole lot more. Most of the Renew users have reported seeing its results in just days, but recommend taking it for at least 3 to 6 months. Besides, this is an exclusive formula available only on the official website and produced in limited numbers. So, buying one of the bulk packages they offer now could give you an advantage. You will get the discounted pricing plus a supply of Renew for 3 to 6 months. And yes, the money back guarantee is for up to 2 months, so there is no risk involved. If it does not work, you get your money back. Thousands of men and women just like you around the globe have used it to recover their lives for good. So why wait? Head on over to the Renew official website and collect your supply of Renew today. There is a link provided at the end of this video as well as in the description for you to purchase a Renew package. This link also ensures all of the discounts, offers and more. Well, that's it from your favorite Dr. Nikki for today, and I'll be back with another health review for you next time. Until then, goodbye.